Some of us start tracks by humming a tune. Some of us start with a kick drum. But pitch is the absolute backbone of both of those approaches and any other approach that you could take to music. Even drums need tuning. We're going to discover how to do that on this course, and to discover that from that start point, all of the rest of our musical ideas can flow smoothly. We're going to discover exactly what the harmonic series is and how harmonics relate to the fundamental frequencies of the sounds that we play. What are they? What can we do with them? How does pitch relate to tone and the character of a sound? We're going to discover that that relationship is absolutely fascinating. We're going to cover some really key production techniques. We're going to learn how to tune vocals and how to create harmonies for them. We're going to learn how we can transition from one note to another in real time, either using pitch bend or using pitch shifting plugins to allow us to completely reinterpret the sounds we're working with. Plenty of producers like building tracks from samples, taking individual sounds from different places and bringing them together to make them work within a track. And so often one sound, even though it's a great sound all on its own, just doesn't feel like it fits within a production. And it's so frequently pitch that is the reason that stops it from working with all of those other sounds. What we're going to discover on this course is how to get to the roots of that, how to fix it, and how our production can benefit as a result.